Okay everyone, so let's now display the bouncing balls on the OLED display. Okay, so how we can do that? First of all, let's make the connection. Like D22 should be connected to the SCL and D21 should be connected to SDA. Ground should be connected to the ground and VCC should be connected to the 3.3 volt. Okay, so these are also available here. So these are the connections. Okay, secondly, you have to install some library like Adafruit GFX library by Adafruit and Adafruit SSD1306 by Adafruit. So let's install these libraries. Okay, so go to the Arduino. Okay, and first of all add the library. So the libraries are, click over the library and we have to search GFX library, Adafruit GFX library. Okay, okay, so this one you have to install the Adafruit GFX library by Adafruit. Okay, I already installed this in previous program and now let's install the second one. Adafruit SSD1306 by Adafruit. Okay, so SSD1306, okay, by Adafruit. So this one you have to install. Okay, then the program will start work. So before going to work over OLED, you have to install these two libraries. Okay, now it's time to upload the program, which I already have in the descriptions. Okay, so here is the program. Let me upload this program and let's see the output of this program. So here we can see the output of the program, the bouncing balls. Okay, let me show the connections. Okay, how it is connected. So this is the ground should be connected to the ground, and this is plus VCC connected to the plus VCC, and SCL should be connected to the pin number 22 and SDA should be connected to the pin number 21 in the microcontroller. Okay, so this is how you should make the connections and we can able to see the output, the bouncing balls. Have a nice day.